The DJI NEO has been making waves as a compact, easy-to-use drone that's perfect for beginners and content creators alike. But just as people are getting comfortable with it, rumors about the DJI NEO 2 are starting to pick up steam. Thanks to reliable insider Jasper Ellens, we're hearing that the new model might drop as soon as late 2025. That naturally raises a big question. Should you buy the current NEO now or wait for the next version? In this video, we'll break down what the NEO already offers, what the NEO 2 might bring to the table, and help you decide which one makes the most sense for you. Let's dive in and see what's really new with the DJI NEO 2. First, let's shine a light on what the DJI NEO already offers. Compact, lightweight, and designed for everyone from beginners to seasoned travelers, this drone punches well above its weight class. Its one-axis stabilized camera with a 1/2-inch sensor delivers stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. Perfect for vloggers and content creators, it uses advanced AI tracking to follow subjects effortlessly, whether you're hiking through a forest or capturing action shots on the go. The NEO isn't just about video, it's a storytelling tool. With features like Rock Steady and Horizon Steady, your footage remains smooth even in fast-moving or windy scenarios. The DJI Fly app simplifies control, allowing you to operate the drone via your phone or voice commands. Add to that its ability to filter out propeller noise while recording narration, and you've got a compact, professional-grade setup ready to go wherever you do. Safety and simplicity are at the heart of the NEO's design. Built-in propeller guards protect against accidents, while its return-to-home function ensures it flies back safely if you lose connection or run low on battery. And while its 18-minute flight time might sound short, it's more than enough for most quick shoots. While the NEO is already a robust option, the NEO 2 is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade if DJI sticks to its usual playbook. Rumors suggest improvements in 3 key areas: the camera, battery life, and obstacle detection. For starters, a better camera could elevate the NEO 2 into a new league, possibly offering higher resolution or advanced low-light performance. Improved AI tracking could make it an even more powerful creative tool, ideal for everything from dynamic action shots to cinematic flyovers. Obstacle detection is another area where the NEO 2 could shine. The current NEO lacks advanced sensors, but the next model might feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a game-changer for new pilots and those flying in tight spaces. And then there's battery life, a sore spot for many drone users. While the NEO's 18 minutes are decent for casual use, a longer flight time would let creators focus more on their shots and less on their battery levels. Here's the bottom line. If you need a drone right now, the DJI NEO is an excellent choice. It's portable, powerful, and packed with smart features that make aerial videography accessible to just about anyone. It's also budget-friendly compared to what the NEO 2 is likely to cost. However, if you're the type who always wants the latest and greatest, and you can afford to wait, the NEO 2 could be worth holding out for. Its rumored upgrades could make it a standout choice for both beginners and professionals. At the end of the day, it comes down to your priorities. Whether you choose to dive into the DJI world now or wait for the NEO 2, one thing is certain: DJI continues to innovate, and the future of drones has never looked brighter. Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.